इस शहर को ये हुआ क्या? कहीं राख है तो कहीं धुआं धुआं।
Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see.
This song suits for you. Riding dirty. The winner is Auto because Auto overtakes him. Santosh lost to Auto.
I like that.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in
Want it to me? Just double tap it.
my veins tonight.
ये हमारी बाइक से, ये हम है और ये हमारी बाइक से।
पीछे कौन आएगा अभी? Okay, fine. I'll just come.
Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter.
जावेद भाई,
हाँ जी,
बाइकर बॉयज और बाइक्स के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए ना।
biker boys. I will start with bikes. Bikes is my passion. Though I have been through 2 major accidents, but I still love bikes. Can't breathe without bikes. Biker boys, after coming to Bangalore, I think so one of the most active, interactive group in Bangalore, I can say. And it is led by people who are very passionate about bikes. They breathe in bikes, they love machines. So yes, it's an amazing biker boys riding group of Bangalore and led by Zubi here. He's a man, and of course there is one more person who is Clinton, but he is not here because it's Easter today. And yeah, I just love to ride, and these people just make my day more exciting, you can say.
Tanmay, very new to this group, like just a month or so, but it already feels like family. The group is led by Zubi Bhai and Clinty, and they're a wonderful person. And many people in this group are such wonderful person. It makes you feel like you are at home. In last 1 month I have done how many 3 or 4 rides with the group, and right now like it's the best thing that I've been doing after coming to Bangalore. So yeah, and coming to bikes, this is my Swati Loki Husqvarna 250. Absolutely love riding this bike. It's been 4 months and planning for some long trips on it too. So yeah, that's me, Tanmay.
Yeah, my name is Azfar and I joined this group I think a month back or so, and this is my first outing with the whole group, and I'm enjoying it.
Who's the biker boys president?
It's actually my passion. I started this group with only 6 people. Right now we have 128 people right now. So we are the most active biking group in Bangalore, and I can proudly say that, we have done 40 rides in 33 months. So basically it's more than 1 or 2 rides in a month. And we have amazing riders here, talented riders, and from different walks of life. Yeah, so amazing, crazy good. I'm really, I'm like blessed to have such a beautiful team here. Crazy good, and I'm loving every day. Z900, okay, this is my dream bike. I was dreaming about this bike for quite some time, and this is my super bike, my first super bike. Otherwise I ride my Domina, which is still there with me, and that's amazing, a brilliant machine.
This is Sachin, and been part of Bikers Biker Boys for more than a year now, and the journey is amazing. Zubair, one of the most organized, captains that I've ever seen in this group. His work shows up, and you would all agree, that he's very well organized, and feels great to be part of this group. And I hope whoever is seeing and watching this video right now, and who is not part of this group should be a part of this group very soon. And
Yes, that is right.
Yeah?
Rightly said. Should be by part of the Biker Boys riding group of Bangalore, because if you want exciting life, exciting ride, you should be a part of this group. Yes.
And also a
Cheers.
host of good friends.
Ah.
Yeah, also a lot of good friends. Just not the rides, but the people that are in the group and how they help each other to learn things. That's pretty amazing. Yeah.
Going under, swimming in the bin, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, in a tidal.
Thank you for adding me into the group.
It's my privilege to have Raghu Bhai in our team. Okay.
It's privilege to have me in this group.
So unbelievable, guys.
Who's the one who is talking behind the camera?
Yo.
Javed Bhai.
That's Javed.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.